Do you want to know how you can join communities in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join communities in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and locate Elsa Speak on your phone, tap on it, and what you need to do is go to Home, which is on the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you see Join Our Community under the Learning Feed option. So go ahead and tap Join Our Community. There are different types of communities of Elsa Speak, such as Discord, Zylo, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So what you need to do is tap on Join Our Community, and you can tap on YouTube and it will lead you to Elsa Speak's YouTube page. And same goes for other social networks such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So go ahead and join the Elsa Speak community and make friends and improve your English together with your friends in the community. This was a video on how you can join communities in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.